Hey, Alisa! It's been such a long time. How have you been?
Salar, I can't believe it's really you. I'm good. Just busy with work as usual. How about you?
Same here. Life's been a bit of a roller coaster lately, full of ups and downs, but I'm surviving.
That's life, isn't it? Always unpredictable. So tell me, what have you been up to these days?
Well, I recently started working at a travel company. It's actually pretty exciting. We organize adventure trips across different countries.
Wow, that sounds amazing. You've always loved traveling. Which countries have you been to so far?
Let's see, I went to Thailand last year, then to Turkey for a short business trip, and recently I visited Dubai. Each place has its own unique charm.
That's incredible. I've always wanted to go to Turkey. The mix of culture and history there must be fascinating.
Oh, it really is. You'd love Istanbul. The streets, the food, the people, everything feels alive. You walk through a market and it's like traveling back in time.
I can imagine. I love old cities. They have a certain magic. By the way, did you try Turkish coffee?
Of course, it's very strong though. One small cup feels like an entire energy drink.
That's exactly how I like my coffee. How about you, Alisa? What's new in your life? Still teaching? Yes, still teaching English at the high school, but I've also started an online YouTube channel for English learners. It's called Speak Smart with Alisa.
That's awesome. You're combining your passion for teaching with technology. What kind of videos do you post?
Mostly simple conversations, pronunciation tips, and short lessons. I want to make English fun and practical, not boring like in textbooks.
That's the right approach. People learn faster when they enjoy the process. Maybe I should feature your videos in my travel company's English program.
Oh, that would be great. So tell me, do you ever get nervous speaking English with foreign clients?
At first, yes, I made a lot of mistakes, especially with pronunciation. But now I just focus on communicating clearly. Even if grammar isn't perfect, confidence makes a big difference.
That's so true. Confidence is the key. Many students hesitate because they're afraid of making mistakes.
Exactly. One funny thing happened in Thailand. I told a driver, take me to the temple, but I pronounced temple like tumble. He thought I wanted to fall down somewhere.
Oh no, that's hilarious. Mispronunciations can lead to some funny situations.
Yeah, but it taught me an important lesson. Never stop learning. English isn't just about vocabulary. It's about how you express yourself.
I couldn't agree more. By the way, do you read English books or watch English movies?
I do. I recently finished reading The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's such a beautiful story about following your dreams.
That's one of my favorites too. The message about destiny and courage always inspires me.
Same here. It made me think about my own goals. I don't just want to work and earn money. I want to do something meaningful. Maybe start my own travel vlog one day.
Oh, that sounds perfect for you. You already love adventure and meeting new people. A vlog would be the best way to share your experiences.
Thanks. Maybe you can help me with my English narration.